Hello, today we're going to be talking about Unit 3, Lesson 4, Conflicts in Southwest Asia. Here are our objective, standards, and focus question, and you can pause to read them. The Israeli-Palestine conflict. This conflict has been changing for many decades, and please note that the textbook information is from 2015 and earlier. In 1967, during the Arab-Israeli War, Israel took control of the areas called the West Bank and Gaza, which you can see on the map. People of Muslim, Christian, and Jewish faith all view this land as their homeland, and over time, the Jewish and Muslim populations of this region have come into conflict. In Iraq, in 2003, Saddam Hussein was removed from power. Conflict then broke out over who should be the next ruler. In the midst of the conflict, a terrorist group called the Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, also known as ISIS, became more prominent and took control of major cities. By 2016, the combined forces of the US, Iraq, and other nations took back control of the nation from ISIS. In Syria in 2011, conflict broke out due to the oppressive rule of their president, Bashar al-Assad. The government launched attacks on protesters and eventually a civil war broke out. The Assad government used chemical weapons against the people, which violated international law. In 2013, an agreement was reached and Assad would give up his chemical weapons. More recently, in December of 2024, Assad fled Syria, which ended his rule. Today you have a quiz instead of a quick check, so make sure to study your past quick checks, your vocabulary, and the questions from the extra credit reading notes to study for your quiz. As always, webmail your teacher if you have any questions.